Request.
Good morning, ma'am.
बेटा
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा I think we should wait for students to join. Very less students.
Good morning, ma'am.
now. Good morning. Good morning.
Bonjour, ma'am.
Bonjour.
The combined class.
Yes, beta. No, daily you have combined class only, 6th and 6th week.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, what were we doing yesterday?
Yesterday we have started the new chapter, chapter 6.
Okay, what is the name of the chapter?
The friends of Caroline.
Yes. Leçon 6. Les amis.
The Caroline. The Caroline. Ma'am, it was.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Les amis de Caroline.
Les amis de Caroline.
Wherein we read about 3 nationalities. What were the 3 nationalities?
Pakistani,
One, yes.
Italian, and Spanish. Spain.
Pakistanese, Italian, and Espanol. Right? These were the 3 nationalities we studied about. Nationalities means the country where you live in, you are called this. Like, what is our country name?
I'm India. Means Indian. Indian.
Yes. So what will we be called? Either we'll be
I'm
called
Indian.
Indian. For these, this is for
Indian.
all masculine
French.
gender. And if
Yes, ma'am.
feminine, then we'll be called.
Then we will put E. E
N.
at the last.
No, we will put double NE. We will double up the consonant and put it. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
in this chapter, basically this chapter is about learning country names and nationalities in French. Okay? We are going to learn country names and
Yes, ma'am.
nationalities in French. So we had done the first 3 dialogues given on the top, right? Let's move on to the chapter. Parth, just read out Caroline's dialogue.
Salute. Comment Elvos.
Okay.
Samira,
Salut.
Pedro,
Wait.
Edson.
Wait. Salut. Comment allez-vous? Salut. Comment allez-vous? What it
Comment
means?
allez-vous?
What it means?
Ma'am means salute. Comment allez-vous?
Anyone can tell what it means?
Ma'am means hello. Ma'am means hello.
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
Beta, repeat what?
Ma'am, hello. How are you?
Yes.
This sentence.
Good morning, ma'am.
Salut. Comment
How
allez-vous?
are you?
The sentence is Salut. Comment allez-vous? Salut means hi.
Hi, from where are you?
No, not from where are you. How are you?
How are you?
Comment allez-vous means how are you? Like in English, we ask, how do you do? We ask it like this. So in French,
Yes,
people
ma'am.
ask, comment allez-vous? Or
Okay, ma'am.
they
Okay,
also
ma'am.
ask, comment vas-tu? But comment
Yes,
allez-vous
ma'am.
is formal, is a formal way of
Ma'am?
asking. Yes.
Ma'am, can you tell me once more, because my brother was making something
Okay,
some
for the
noise.
last time, I'm repeating. And I'm locking the meeting also. I will not entertain the latecomers from now on. The first dialogue says, Salut, comment allez-vous?
Ravi.
Salut means hi. Hi, how are you? Like in English, we ask, how do you do? In French, we ask, comment allez-vous? And this is the formal way of asking, how are you or how do you do? The informal way is, comment vas-tu? Like if you are going to ask your friend how she or he is, what are you going to ask? Comment vas-tu? You're simply going to ask this. Comment vas-tu? Yes. Then the next dialogue says, all three together, Samira, Pedro, and Sonia, ensemble.
Tribute.
What is
Tribute.
written in the bracket?
Tribute.
Ensemble. Ensemble means together. So three of them together, they reply, très bien. Très bien means
Très bien.
very good.
Very well. Very well.
Caroline asks them how you are. All three of them say, very good, very nice. Caroline says, now Asfa, just read it out what Caroline says.
Okay, ma'am. J'ai une question.
Okay. J'ai une question. J'ai une question. Now, what is j'ai? See, we have again come across this thing.
I.
I. And what is this? I
have.
Very nice. I have une
A
question.
question.
A question.
I have a
Then
question.
Samira, what does Samira say? Vidushi, read.
Okay, ma'am. Que c'est quest?
No, ma'am. No, qu'est-ce que c'est? Ma'am, qu'est-ce que
Very
c'est?
good.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Samira says,
We are on
qu'est-ce
which
que c'est?
question?
Beta, we are on page number 65, chapter number 6, Les Amis de Caroline. We are doing dialogues.
Ma'am, what is qu'est-ce que c'est? Can you tell?
What is that? What is that?
What is it or what is this? What is that? Anything. Samira says, I have a question. Sorry, Caroline says, I have a question. Samira says, what is it? Then Caroline asks, who will read?
Ma'am, Parth.
Shreya, Naina, Sanidhya, Atulya, Simran, Vansh, Lavanya,
Ma'am, I tell.
Shaurya.
Ma'am, I tell.
Beta, what are you doing in the class? Sitting with your cameras off. What are you up to? Okay, Naina, read. The next dialogue will be read by Naina. Naina, muted, huh? Naina, muted. In this case, I'm going to remove the students from my class. What is the point of attending it? You people simply mute yourself thinking that let the teacher speak. There is nothing in teachers' hands in online classes. Beta, why do you attend the class? If you're not able to read, tell me, ma'am, I can't read it. Help me out. Will I not help you? Is this the way to behave?
Ma'am, can I read?
Sanidhe, Atulya, everybody sitting with the cameras off. Zaina, Simran, Lavanya. If you want to be in the
can I
class,
read?
open your cameras, otherwise I'm starting to remove you all. I will remove all of you. I don't want such students in the class. Just for namesake, you come and you enter the class and sit here.
Ma'am. can I read?
Vidushi, mute yourself. Shaurya, read the next sentence.
Ma'am, tu es le livre de France.
Yes. Tu as le livre de français. Now, what is the question with Caroline? Caroline has the question asking, tu as le
You
livre
have the
de
French book?
français? Very good. Do you have the French book or do you have the book of French?
Ma'am, next can I read?
Yes. Do you have the book of French? After that, who is asking?
Ma'am, Vansh Mahajan.
Yes, Vansh, read.
Samira. Justly live the Francis at the match.
Okay. Now, Samira says, oui. J'ai le livre de français et de maths. What it
Ma'am,
means?
I can tell the English. Ma'am, yes, I have the French and math book.
Okay. Yes, I have the book of French and math.
And math.
Write it down, children. Write down the translation till here.
I'm done.
Everyone has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have
No,
written in
ma'am,
the book.
please wait,
Ma'am, we
ma'am,
have to write it in the copy also?
No, just write it in the book only.
Fine, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written then.
Okay, then. Pedro says, sorry, Sonia says,
What is that?
Pedro.
What is that,
qu'est-ce que c'est?
Pedro? What is that?
Pedro, qu'est-ce que c'est? Then,
Means what is that?
Ma'am, Pedro, what is that?
yes, Pedro, what is this? Then what does Pedro reply? Asfa, read.
Ma'am, what's the meaning of Pedro?
Pedro is a name, beta. The
Okay,
friend,
ma'am.
the friend of Caroline who has come from Spain. He is Pedro.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then, what does Pedro read? Sorry, what does Pedro reply? Read, Asfa.
Okay, ma'am. Pedro, ce sont des flux pour les contrôles.
Ce sont des
That means
ce
I
sont
can tell
des
in English.
Parth, beta wait button hai. Let me at least tell you the correct pronunciation. Ce sont des fouilles pour le contrôle. It means, yes, now tell what it is in English.
These are, that means, so mean these, this means are, and fuels means leaves for control.
Okay, these are the leaflets. Leaf is like leaflets here, the paper. They're talking about the papers. These are the papers, the leaflets for the exam. Okay, for the exam. These are the papers of the exam. So Sonia says, now what is Sonia's reply? Lavanya, read out. Lavanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Read it.
Oh, la nuwa le control jo hui.
She says, Oh là là, nous avons le contrôle aujourd'hui. Oh la la. Oh la la is just like a reaction. Oh my, or oh my God. We have the exam today. We have an exam today. Okay, we have a test today. She didn't know that. So she's giving a very surprised look. In fact, a shocked look, we can say, a shocked reaction. This is all about this chapter. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now what we have next, I'm giving you 2 minutes, everyone. Try to do this on your own. I'm going to call out anyone's name to answer this. Dit, re, u, fo.
Ma'am means I can tell the English, but what it
If
means.
anyone would want to know the English, he or she will herself ask. Okay. Do this true and false yourself. You have 2 minutes with you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in this we have to write true and false from the
Yes. Based on the
conversation
chapter.
that done before.
Based on the chapter, you have to write, you have to tell it whether it
Okay,
is
ma'am.
true or false.
Ma'am, I want to know about the English translate of the first true or false.
No, I can tell.
Yes, tell.
Then Pedro, Caroline, and Samira means are friends.
Yes.
Okay. So it is Pedro, Caroline, and Samira are friends.
Yes, our friends.
Ma'am, please wait, I am doing.
Ma'am, done.
I'm done, Parth.
Yes. Pedro, Caroline is Samira. Son,
Ma'am.
Nami,
Ma'am, true.
Ray. Very good.
True.
Yes,
Ray.
it's Ray. We call it Ray, beta. We will not say true. Then, the next one. Samira a le livre d'histoire.
Fox.
Ma'am,
Fox. Fox.
Ma'am, Fox.
It is 4 because she has the book of maths and French.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nowhere it is written that she has the book of history. Okay, Sonia est Italienne.
Ray.
Oh,
Wo.
bro. Ma'am, it is ra.
Beta, it's Ray. We call it Ray.
Ray.
Okay, ma'am, Ray. Ma'am,
Okay.
it is ra.
And Pedro est français.
Four.
Ma'am,
4. Very nice. It is
Four.
4. Okay. After this thing, now we come on to the next part of this chapter, which is les articles définis. Now, what are definite articles? We know in English the definite article is the. When we talk about something specific, we say the girl is standing under the tree. The pen belongs to me. When we are talking about something very specific. Similarly, in French, this the is denoted by 3 different words. Le, la, and le. Le comes before all masculine singular nouns, right? La
Yes,
comes
ma'am, we have
before
that.
all feminine
Feminine.
singular nouns. And
Yes,
le
ma'am.
comes before all plural nouns,
Silent.
whether feminine or masculine. A noun should be in plural. Whether it is feminine or it is masculine doesn't matter. Okay? But if it is in plural, we are going to put les before it. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, one more thing is very important here. Any noun starting with a vowel, like say suppose avion. What is avion? Aeroplane. Like say suppose école. What is école? School. What are these? These words are starting with vowels. So what we'll put, will not put la before them, will not put la before them. We are going to put L apostrophe before them. Okay? Any noun starting with a vowel, whether masculine or feminine, takes L apostrophe before it. But if this particular noun is in plural, if this noun, this case is applicable only when the noun is in singular. If it comes in its plural form, we put les only before it. Like if I want to say the aeroplanes, I am going to say les avions. Okay, I'm not going to say l'avions. No, it'll be les avions. Is that fine? Clear to everyone? Now,
And this is when I'm writing it.
no, you don't have to write this. This is the additional thing that you'll be writing. But now you are supposed to make this entire table in your copy. The table given on page number 66. Yes. This table
Ma'am,
has,
definite articles.
yes. The definite articles, the complete table has to be made in the same way in the copy. Start doing it.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I couldn't see the last one.
Is anyone asking anything?
And Parth was saying that he can't see the last part of the board.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, please see. Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, better click a picture and send on the class. Not this. I'm not saying this. I'm talking about the work in the book. I'm talking about the table that is given on page number 66 in the book. You have to make that entire table.
Okay, ma'am. Only wait 2 minutes. I'm making. Ma'am, I have done that also in the copy.
What is the meaning of piskin? Excuse me, ma'am. In the
Yes.
feminine table,
Yes.
in the feminine, in the table of feminine,
Hmm.
Ma'am, the third word, the la piscine means?
La piscine. Okay, it is swimming pool. La piscine.
Fine, ma'am. Ma'am, in the table, my before vowel and silent H, my singular is only coming. So for the plural, can I make another one?
For the plural, as in, I didn't understand.
Ma'am, like this. Ma'am, I have made it this much table. Now, for the before vowel, I can make only singular here. So can I make a small box?
Yes,
and
yes. Yes,
output?
yes, beta, yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Parth Gupta has done the work and sent in the group from 6th day.
Okay, beta, very good.
Ma'am, as far as Siemens also done.
What about other children? Meanwhile,
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Parth and Asfa, you can go through the table that is given on the next page, the nationalities. Just go through the
Ma'am,
table.
we have to draw that. Ma'am, we have to draw.
No, no, just read it.
Okay, ma'am.
The rest of the children have done. Shaurya, Atulya, Simran, Sanidhya, Shrey, Kakkar, Lavanya, Vansh. Have you done?
Yes, ma'am, done now.
Okay. Then we come on to the next page, that is Les Nationalités. What do we say? We say
La nationalité.
Les Nationalités.
La nacionalidad. La
Le
nacionalidad.
nationalité.
Yes.
Le nacionalidad.
Who will read out these country names?
Ma'am, I will. Ma'am,
Parth.
Okay, Vidushi, read.
fine, ma'am. France. La France. England. La Angleterre.
Okay.
Portugal.
We read it as Angleterre.
Okay, Angleterre.
Very good.
Portugal.
Portugal.
Portugal. Germany. Allemagne.
Allemande.
Alemán.
Allemande.
Allemande. Japan. Le Japan.
Le
China.
Japon.
China.
It's Le
Le
Japon.
Japan. Le Japan. China. Le
La Chine.
Chine.
Yes.
Now we just use show.
Yes, CH in French is che. La Chine.
Okay. United States. Les États-Unis.
Okay. Les États-Unis.
Les États-Unis.
Yes, les États-Unis.
Les États-Unis. Spain. Spain. Spain.
Espagne.
Spain.
Hmm.
Italy. Italy. Italy.
Italy.
Italy. Italy.
Italy. Yes.
Italy. Italy.
Then India.
India. La
and.
Indi.
No,
Indi.
and. We call it and.
And. India. La and.
Beta,
Algeria.
and. Only and.
And.
Algeria. Algeria.
Algeria. Algeria.
Saudi Arabia.
South Arabia. Arabia. Saudi.
Arabi.
Pakistan. Arabi. Saudi.
Yes, Arabi Saudi. Then Pakistan is La Pakistan.
Pakistan. La Pakistan.
La
Pakistan.
Pakistan. And
La
similarly,
Pakistan.
similarly, the nationalities go as Français, Anglais, Portugais, Allemand, Japonais, Chinois, American, Espanol, Italian, Indian, Algerian, Saudian, and Pakistani. You people will
Okay, ma'am.
go through this table very nicely, and in the next class tomorrow, that is tomorrow, I'm going to teach you the basics of nationalities, how we convert them into feminine, masculine, and into plural.